Hey guys, I'm super pumped that you make it this far. Thank you very much and congratulations. You finished the high level one-on-one for beginners. I hope that you learn a lot of stuff and you should be able now to set up any accounts and be up and running. I also hope that you join our private community and also high level one-on-one community as well. So we can have more conversation there for anything high level or tech related. And if you are looking for more courses, advanced courses, and those kind of things, make sure that you join our communities because that's where I put updated courses, new courses. As you might have already noticed, if you look at this thing at the top, this is the updates that comes daily from high levels. So there's a lot of things getting added, updated, and don't worry, I'm on top of this and I update the courses, they're evergreen, and you'll always have the updated version. But hey, if you want to get in touch with me or anything, that's how you can do it via our communities. But other than that, I hope you enjoy this course and I'm looking forward to work with you or see you in my other courses. Thanks and see you in the next one. Bye.